Hi guys, this is Omar, and today I'm gonna be explaining how you're gonna fix a deep scratches like this. See, it scratches the surface and goes all the way inside the paint. I'm gonna be using this simple tool here. I'm gonna be explaining later how you'll find this stuff on the internet. Doesn't need to be the same exact brand, but you definitely need to find the exact same color of your car. Okay, so let's get right into it. Here's the tool after I took it out of the box. This is the stand of it. It's like when you put it like this, it keeps the liquid down. So we don't need it right now. So it has a three parts. This part here when for like a little dents like this. And it has a brush. It's like a nail polisher. You can use it for bigger ones. And there's the protective layer that we're gonna use after this. So let's use the big one first. Oh, it's not from this side, it's here. Okay. So I'm covering the big one here.
Tell me like I do.
See, you don't want to put too much of it because when it builds up, it puts like it gets really thick and it becomes really visible. So it becomes like two layers of paint on top of each other, which is not really what you want to see. So now I'm gonna be using the small head. All right. I guess we can leave it like that. So next we're gonna be using the protective layer. It's colorless, so it just cover the paint, and so if you like scratch it or anything, it doesn't have anything. So we'll just gonna wait for 10 more minutes, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so I left it for actually not 10 minutes. I left it for like 30 minutes. Now it's solid, as you can see. Now we're gonna add the protective layer. Let me show you how you do that. Okay. And finally on this little thing here. Okay, now we gotta leave this for a couple hours, like 3-4 hours, and then we'll come back. We'll see what happens. So this is how it looked like after leaving it for like 2 hours. So you can see it's still showing a little marks here, and maybe it's just a little bit dirty around it. I can clean this later, but I mean, let's be a little bit fair. I fixed some other places, and some other places look a lot bit like, see over here, doesn't look like anything, but when you go closer, like a lot closer, you can see the paint. Okay, but like when you go far away, it's fine. Everything is fine. But And let's be also a little bit more realistic. This thing, it's still a fresh paint, and when it gets dirty it's gonna look like the color of this car, because this car it's also need to be a little bit washed. But yeah, it's in a little while it's gonna look exactly like the color of this paint. um and that will do it, I guess. Now I'm gonna be showing you how you'll find the name of the paint on your car. um let's say for example we're looking at the name or color of Hyundai Hyundai, let's say Sonata 2015, let's say white. So we look between the colors, and here it is. It's coarse white barrel. That's the name of that specific color for the 2015 Hyundai Sonata. And that's the way you just take this color and you write it down. You go to any local auto parts, you tell him that, well, I'm looking for this specific color, and he can easily search it on his computer and give it to you. So that's how you find the name of the color of your car. You put the name of your car, you put the name of your car, and then the model, and then the year, and you put, for example, I said white, you can put red, you can put, I don't know, blue. You search any color you have, and then you look for the name, and you're gonna find it in the first couple of results. um, and as I said, you take it to any auto parts store, and you ask him about that specific color, and he should be able to find this color in his inventory. Or if not, maybe you can go online, and yeah, I guess you can search on Amazon, and you probably are gonna find a lot of cheaper options. But that's the way you can find it. I hope you guys liked my video. And I mean, if you want to see more of car fix and car stuff, I'm always up to recording more of this stuff, because I love cars. Or I mean, if you have any other ideas, let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching.